I wish I could show you the astonishing light of your own being. Stay close to anything that makes you glad you are alive. You yourself are your own obstacle. Rise above yourself. Be kind to your sleeping heart. Take it out into the vast fields of light, and let it breathe. Your heart and my heart are very, very old friends. I once asked a bird, "How is it that you fly in this gravity of darkness?" She responded, "Love lifts me." What we speak becomes the house we live in. Fear is the cheapest room in the house. I would like to see you living in better conditions. This place where you are right now, God circled on a map for you. The heart is a thousand-stringed instrument that can only be tuned with love. We have come into this exquisite world to experience ever and ever more deeply our divine courage, freedom and light. Carry your heart through this world like a life-giving sun. An awake heart is like a sky that pours light. Start seeing everything as God, but keep it a secret. When all your desires are distilled, you will cast just 2 votes, to love more, and be happy.